In May, they announced that the Upper St. Anthony Falls Lock was going to be closed at the end of the 2014 commercial season. They're closing the locks to prevent the migration of invasive silver carp from getting up into the northern lakes. Ever since my parents moved to Minneapolis, my dad has talked about making the trip through the locks using the kayaks that we built together. Last October, we made the trip. This year, almost 1,500 recreational vessels made their way through the Upper St. Anthony Falls Lock. With 3 weeks to go before it closed, we were some of the last to make the trip. We knew that you had to pull a cord to let the engineer know that you're ready to go through the lock. But what I didn't know was that you have to sit for 20 or 30 minutes while they get everything all set. The wait gave us a chance to enjoy the view and play around with the camera. Once they were all set, we paddled our way in. All in all, we dropped down about 45 feet at a pretty quick rate. It was a very weird feeling.
Hello. It was quite an interesting kind of thing going down in this big bathtub draining.
Yeah.
It was huge.
It was weird. 45 feet. 45-foot bathtub.
The lower lock is the same size, except about half the drop. But coming out of the lower lock, it's a lot more turbulent water, so we had to stick to the side and be pretty careful about where we went. After that, it was smooth sailing to our takeout point at Bohemian Flats. It was a fun little trip, and I'm glad we got to do it before they closed down the locks.